What's going on, guys? We are back wrenching on the Widow. I got some cheap ACL Chinese bearings that I spent, and we also have some piston rings, some Hastings piston rings. These are about 30 bucks online. The bearings are about $8. Get these pistons revitalized, pistons and rods. We got this as a freebie from LDL, and we're gonna hopefully make these things work. So we're gonna have these new rings here. We're gonna cut these, measure them out, open them up a little bit, and we got a little nifty tool here. Tell us what that is. This is not Chris, by the way. It's Rico Suave with the slick back hair. So tell us what we're doing.
We're gonna be in-house honing. We're gonna use this honing tool to clean the cylinder walls. We're gonna clean all the, I guess the glaze is what they call it. So
Get a good crosshatch on them.
Yeah, we're gonna get a good crosshatch on them. So we got these new rings to seat on this, on these new cylinder walls. Well, semi-new.
Well, we're gonna cross fingers, and hopefully this thing works for the Widow, so that we can get this thing.
This thing will work for the Widow, man. This thing will work.
I'm telling you, man.
We're gonna go ahead and listen to what you guys want, and we're gonna keep sending the Widow with, you know, cheap, free parts and cheap cheap OEM stock parts.
I know we spent 38 bucks on the parts, so let's go ahead and we're gonna hopefully these ring seals, we get some good compression so that we can send it with the Widow. We have IFO. Hopefully we can make it, but we're gonna go ahead and work on these. So we're gonna protect the crank. The crank. You know, we're not careless.
Careless. That's our middle name.
Yeah, I guess we need some stuff action. Just stuff it in, bro. There you go. So we have nice packing.
No, we're just lubing the cylinders. Nice and wet before we.
Chris loves the lube.
I love the lube.
It's the loba.
A little spit. Oops, I guess I should have done that inside, but eh.
Whatever. Whatever, man. We're not trying to be perfect here.
Right. Oh, see, that's why you don't use rapid.
It's all good. Screw it. As long as we get a good crosshatch, we're good. Right?
Woo-wee! Those look like some brand new cylinder walls.
Let's look at these cylinder walls.
Can you really see that?
I can now. Look at that. Ooh. They're ready to go. They're ready to seat. Alright, yo, so these are the piston rings, and they're actually like, they're not the same size. They're not like, one's larger, one's like tighter. I think there's only one ring that we have to cut because the rest of them are like overly large.
First,
we got the three amigos. We're back in action.
What's going on?
We're together.
We here.
Carlos always come over late.
Sorry, bro. I gotta be working, man.
You gotta be working.
I got us.
He's a rapper, if you guys don't know.
Without the beats.
Without the beats. Let's get her in.
We're gonna do this way, intake, and then this is the tank side, and then we are going to lube it. Run. Bam. Cylinder number one.
Cylinder number one.
Here. Putting on some stockies back in the stocky so we can hit these damn tangs, you know what I'm saying?
Work for
Forget
dream.
this radiator right
Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta tag it up.
now. Hey, you guys got braking oil?
What's that?
Right?
We're gonna actually have to put some clean oil in this thing this time.
Why?
Cause
I gotta do an oil change on the Lexus. You wanna just...
I don't wanna let you got some nasty.
Bro, I had to do oil change in my truck.
Tripping.
For real, fool.
That's money.
Why we gotta change oil, man? I got oils in my car.
Yeah, I got oils in my cars too. You don't like my oils?
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Drain
God.
this bitch out.
Ain't
fill her
nothing
up.
wrong with used Toyota's oils.
Oil.
Use Toyota scooper spray it and give us a little bit of sandwiching bite down. That's the whole meaning behind it. Give it a fresh little glue surface.
Tagger special.
Hey.
Tagger.
That's even. I like it.
Alright.
Get on in there. Back in. No dry time. Hello.
Time.
Hello.
Time, baby. Yeah, I think so.
I thought you said it was small. That's why I said, is it a T28? sandwiching. She's pissing. It's okay.
It's okay.
All the way, Dizzounds.
Almost.
Now she is.
Yeah. All right, guys. These are our GSR cams. We took this out of these GSR cams are gonna go in the Peak Widow. We gotta take these cam gears off this B16 right here. We're gonna blast them off. For the China build, if you guys are wondering, the China build is gonna get some nice knockoff Chinese camshaft. These are blocks. These are probably knockoff of like Skunk 2. So this is gonna go on the China build. So we have leftover GSRs, and we're gonna blast them off and get a little more mid-range. There you go.
How not to take cam gears off.
Yeah, now you-
Am I going the right way?
I don't know. Are you? There you go. Just hold it like this. You got the gauntlet. Yeah, Thanos. With the Thanos gauntlet.
The one hand.
Alright.
What we got? He brought some snacky snacks.
Bro, got some new stuff.
Got that new stuff?
That new news.
Show me, guys.
Get it out of here.
What that mini Fruit Loop mini donuts?
Bro! Finally!
Carl's Jr. with the
You gotta
same.
grab
Oh,
one.
well, I gotta know what color.
Going for the purple? Going for the
Is
purple?
it-
Smart man. I got another box so we can try different colors later. No way, dude.
What tastes just like that?
No way, dude. No, try that.
Alright. Fruit Loops, baby.
It was worth it.
Alright. 2 cans down.
Fire.
That's fire.
Fought with it. Fought with it. Check it out, Mike.
What's up?
This is a puzzle. Watch. Check this out.
What, the piece of the puzzle?
Trying to get this in without taking the wastegate off.
Oh, we did it one time. Come
Yeah,
on.
I'm trying to remember how I did it.
You came in at 5:30, I mean. It's been 3 hours?
There it is. That's the distance right there. See?
There you go. Origami.
Careful.
No, it's this.
Pose.
Yeah. Okay.
Origami. Ooh. My dude's playing Tetris when y'all playing chess.
Hey, is that a gasket? Yeah, gasket's there, huh?
Gasket's there?
Oh, the radiator, Chris, come here. Move the radiator.
Move the
out.
radiator over.
How do you radiator get down here?
There you go.
Yeah, move that out of the way, brother.
Just move it out the way real quick. Chris.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, so you can do it second,
Boom.
I'm not gonna sit here and carry this 200-pound fucking assembly. Jesus. There's sander
Up.
packing.
So, how many miles do you guys think we're gonna get with this thing?
I'm telling you, man. 2 miles, man. As fast as it can. 2 miles.
Comment below.
Comment below. What do you think this thing's gonna hit? Hopefully these rings seat.
Oh, these rings are gonna seat.
We're gonna make them see.
You try to turn the motor over now, we got a lot of compression. Rod bolts are too tight.
We'll find out.
We'll find out.
We must rebuild her.
Wait,
We must rebuild her.
we must rebuild her.
This is Chris every time, bro.
Hey, mate, did you get it?
Every time.
Hey, you want a cigarette?
God damn! Now I gotta put like a rated R on this caption on this video. Now kids can't watch. Rated X in this month.
Why do you crack it up so bad?
I know, freaking selling
What kind
crack.
of underwear do you use?
These boxes, bro.
Selling crack, bro. We using some paint strainer. Here we go.
Because these guys don't want to change the damn oil.
It's all good.
Jesus.
Was that mix or wait, is that mix? Or is that pure oil? Did we dump any? You dumped some like coolant, right?
No? Did I?
That's oil.
Is it all oil? It's all oil, right? No water, right?
No, that looks like all oil.
All right.
I don't know why there's so much. Where frick did all this oil come from?
Come from numerous cars. Wait, what happened with it?
Let's fucking.
Alright, let's go. Let's do it.
At this point, I don't know why we're putting a strainer on there, but we did.
Whatever.
I can't see, so I'm just gonna go ahead.
There we go.
Oh, dude, that's so bad.
Alright, chill. Let it do some.
Dude, that's so bad.
We do this
I can
just.
smell the gas in it.
We do this just for Chris. This is just for Chris. We just like to watch him suffer. So as it gulps it down, about 300 milliliters of Royal
I
Purple.
got a little bit left of 520.
The only way this works, guys, is if we cheers and we pour them at the same time. If not, then they don't mix well.
There we go.
So
I'm just pulling anything I have in my cupboard and we're trying.
Oh no, just make sure you pour them both at the same time. If not, it's not gonna mix, okay?
Boom.
Just remember that.
I might as well throw beer in this thing.
Not in the oil.
Disconnect the Dizzy or something so I can.
I did. I had it disconnected.
Oh, my bad. How do you do it? Yeah, start it. No, I.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm just gonna turn the engine over so that we can
Fuel
find the oil.
prime?
Oil prime.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Get it.
Oh.
Let's prime and make sure the fuel don't leak out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nope. God, doesn't leak a lick, mother.
She doesn't.
Doesn't.
She doesn't do that kind of stuff.
Doesn't leak
Remember
a.
we talked about this one day
Alright,
at the
I'm gonna
track.
turn her over a bunch of times and then we'll start it.
Delsos don't leak.
They don't break.
leak, they don't break. They break. That's a
Forgot
good
the battery's
battery.
dead.
Another battery.
We got a trip battery. Come on, baby. Woo! Woo!
Better not.
That idle. Break it in, baby.
Yeah.
She's running.
Yeah.
She's up and running, baby. Unstoppable! Woo!
There's nothing we can
What we gotta do for braking?
We're gonna let it warm up and then we're gonna take it out on the parking lot and do a couple like short bursts and let the motor slow itself down and hopefully seat the rings.
do. Seattle's like a dream.
Right? And she's off. She's back in action, bro. Back in action, baby. Dude, that car's incredible, man. 3 hours?
That's insane.
About 3-4 hours, we got it back together.
Say 4, say 5. I mean, it was 3.5 or something. But I mean,
The car was
piston
apart.
rod, everything was out, and we put it back together, slapped her together. Really,
Slapped her together.
It was a slap job. Obviously, in 3 hours, it was a slap job.
And you can hear her
check
roaming.
it out. Here she comes. She's just seeing rings right now. Just seeing rings.
Just seeing some rings?
Yeah, you guys don't know how excited we are. You don't. I mean, if you've ever had a junk car like this and put the work that we've put into it and it just keeps satisfying us and giving us everything we asked for, I mean, you'll never go back. I mean, you just won't. This is like, it's like a trophy. She's,
Right?
listen to her. They're like, it's
She's just purring, bro. And she
Bruh.
sounds stronger.
bruh.
she sounds stronger. We gotta do a
sounds
compression
way
check.
Stronger.
Hopefully these
compression
rig
test
seats
tomorrow.
good and that's it.
Yeah, man. That's insane. No
It is.
smoke, no ticks, no nothing.
Woo! It's signing off. Good night. We're charging the battery right now.
Yes, sir.
She's broken in. We're gonna do a compression check, but you'll see us at IFO this weekend, guys. We out here. Locomotives, crucial. We out here. You'll see us.
Oh, you can't miss us. You know what I mean?